How to log in Badoo account. So to log into Badoo account, all you have to do is first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and then in the search bar, search for Badoo login. And here on the first search, you will have badoo.com. Click on that, and it will directly take you to the sign in page. So now to sign in or to log in, first you have to enter your email address here, and after entering your email address, on the next step you have to enter your password, and then you can click here on remember me so that your account will be saved while you log in next time. But if you forgot your password, then you have forgot your password option. You can simply click on this and then you can reset your password. Or you can also choose other sign-in options. You can either continue with your Google, your MSN, or any of these apps. So after entering all of your information, you can simply click on sign me in. And that's it, guys. That's how you log into your Badoo account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.